Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about the article that is titled "Dancehall is Not Thriving." Um, Happy Turkey Day to everybody. Happy Turkey Day. I'm hella jealous, hella mad, but that's not what we're here to talk about. And it says, renowned BillBoard journalist Pat Machino refutes the claim that the dancehall genre is thriving despite many international pop stars collaborating and sampling music of local recording artists. I would not use the word thriving. It is too strong for where dancehall is right now. The 1990s thrived. The early to mid 2000s thrived. 2018 not thriving, Moschino told the Star. Machino or Moschino, I don't know how she pronounces her name, had been on the island to participate in the Jamaica Music Conference. The journalist of 28 years said exposed she was exposed to reggae as a child and started to explore more into the realm of dancehall in the late 1980s, making mention to music specifically of DJ like Supercat, Shabba, Foreign Gun, Admiral Barely. The music of artists from the era utilized a different style and format, she said. Listening then versus dancehall now, it's called the same genre, but the beats are now so much different from what they used to be back then. Hip hop, rap, R&B back then is not the same. So they're supposed to change and evolve, but dancehall music is supposed to stay the same and stagnant. As the year goes by, people interests are different, and the genre definitely change as far as beat, melodies, and all of that is concerned with every genre of music, not only dancehall. She said, listening to then, she added that maybe what most person define as dancehall sounded like one drop in the very beginning, then synthesized kind of one drop until it moved into a version a little different from that, and a phase where it seems like soca had a bigger influence on it, and now Afrobeat is borrowing from dancehall and vice versa. I wholeheartedly agree with that. I feel like a lot of times we hear Afrobeat and we think it's dancehall, and it's actually not really dancehall, it's actually Afrobeat. And sometimes we hear Afrobeat and we think it's dancehall, and it's not dancehall. She said the misconception that dancehall is thriving in the mainstream market like the US may come from the fusion of the genres, which might see some person identify Afrobeat as dancehall and also its popularity among the entertainers circle, whether locally or on the international level. I think we have not seen any dancehall artists come from Jamaica in several years that have had an impact in the international market like Shaggy, Sean Paul, or Shabba back in the day, she said. I would love to see bigger things happen for younger generation of dancehall artists like Popcorn, and we've been saying that Popcorn needs to fly because I think he has the crossover capabilities, and he also have international backing from Drake. And once you have a link like that, you're bound to collaborate with somebody, and it's bound to cross over. And I feel like for whatever reasons unknown to us, he cannot travel to the US, and this is an impediment there. The US market is needed. Machino said that any kind of movement to push dancehall in a direction where it can thrive should be superhead in the international arena on a level where the artists utilize the platform to elevate dancehall following. It's not like it's in the unredeemable state. Time has moved on. People get into different things at different times, she said. And I completely agree. A lot of the times dancehall artists, because they have a lot of hype on social media or they get a lot of views on YouTube, people are misconstrued that they're actually hot internationally and they're doing numbers or they're on Billboard or something like that. In quite like honestly, on Billboard, to get to number one on Billboard, you need over 120 or 150 records selling, and that's not compared to hip hop, R&B, rap. You have to sell thousands to get to the number one spot. So a playing field isn't leveled, and I don't know if it's because people are not really supporting. They support online, they support on social media and on YouTube. Me a Alkaline biggest fan, me a Popcorn biggest fan, me a Vibes Cartel biggest fan. But when they drop projects, no one buys it. They talk a whole lot on social media, but they don't buy the music. And they don't support the artist with whatever it is. If it's a clothing line, if it's a drink, none of that. They don't support. So that's why I think dancehall isn't thriving. And one of the major players that's supposed to be traveling and supposed to put dancehall music on the international scale cannot travel. Popcorn won a mobile award for his music. So if he had the opportunity to utilize the US market, I definitely think he has the ability to cross over and to even get a Grammy nomination, because he has that potential. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this article. Do you think dancehall isn't thriving because people show support on social media, but when it comes on to forking out that money, spending those dollars, they don't want to do it? And I know that for a fact. Jamaican people don't support you. They will support you with word of mouth, but when it comes on to money, no, them no work so. But, and I'm talking from experience. Do you think the article is right? Do you think it's not thriving because we're not supporting, or Jamaican people are not supporting the music? It's not thriving because there's too much politics in dancehall, and I wholeheartedly believe that there's too much politics in dancehall. Remember when back in the day when Vibes Cartel and Movado did the clash thing and then they go back to back? On the one rhythm, you have them going back to back with about 10 different songs. But nowadays, because producer, DJ, and artists have them click and them crew, and them can't voice this artist and them can't play this a song and I dance because my friend with this a somebody. Too much politics in a dancehall, and the people that control dancehall music only want who they want in the spotlight, and that's the problem. They don't want to push who the people need in the spotlight and who is going to cross over. They want to push who them want push, and that's another issue. Do you think that it's because Jamaican music has evolved and it don't sound like dancehall music anymore? It's taking on different forms. Is it that's why it's not thriving? Do you think it's too much clicks and crew and politics? Do you think that if we go back to the one drop, hardcore, dancehall, rhythms and melodies, do you think we're going to have that international appeal anymore? Do you think that people are going to gravitate more? Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Happy Turkey Day to everybody in the US. I'm jealous. I'm hella jealous. Okay, I'm actually cooking right now. But anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.